10 engaging activities for seniors. Stay active and inspired. Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the vibrant lives of our beloved seniors. In today's video, we'll be exploring 10 fun and fulfilling activities specifically designed to keep seniors engaged, active, and inspired. Whether you're a senior looking to explore new hobbies or a caregiver seeking ideas to enhance your loved one's well-being, you've come to the right place. So, let's jump right in. Activity number 1, Gardening Therapy. Gardening offers incredible therapeutic benefits for seniors. From nurturing plants to enjoying the beauty of nature, it's a fantastic way to stay active and find peace. We'll share tips on creating accessible gardens and engaging in age-appropriate gardening activities. Next up, we have artistic expression. Unleash your creativity through various art forms like painting, drawing, and pottery. We'll showcase how seniors can find joy and fulfillment in expressing themselves artistically, regardless of their experience level. Moving on to activity number 3, Mindful Meditation. Explore the world of mindfulness and meditation, providing seniors with a way to relax, reduce stress, and improve their overall well-being. Join us as we guide you through simple meditation exercises that can be easily incorporated into daily routines. Now, let's talk about fitness and exercise. Staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for seniors. We'll demonstrate gentle workouts, chair exercises, and low-impact routines that can be enjoyed at any fitness level. Activity number 5 is all about social clubs and community engagement. Discover the power of community by joining social clubs, book clubs, or volunteer organizations. We'll highlight the positive impact of social interaction on seniors' mental and emotional well-being. Next, let's give our brains a workout with brain-boosting games. Engage your mind with puzzles, crosswords, and memory challenges. We'll showcase stimulating activities that help keep the mind sharp and improve cognitive function. Music therapy takes the spotlight for activity number 7. Explore the transformative effects of music on seniors' emotional well-being and memory retention. We'll share ways to incorporate music into daily routines and showcase the joy it brings. Intergenerational bonding is our next activity. Witness the magic that unfolds when seniors and younger generations come together. We'll explore activities that foster connections and create beautiful memories. Lifelong learning takes center stage for activity number 9. Embrace the joy of learning by exploring new subjects, hobbies, and skills. We'll showcase various online and offline resources that cater to seniors' thirst for knowledge. Finally, let's talk about the incredible benefits of pet therapy. Unleash the power of unconditional love and companionship through interactions with animals. We'll explore how pets can enhance the lives of seniors and bring immense joy. And there you have it, 10 engaging activities for seniors to stay active and inspired. We hope this video has given you plenty of ideas to enrich your life or the lives of your loved ones. Remember, age is just a number, and there's no limit to the adventures and happiness that await our senior community. Let's make every moment count. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Until next time, keep embracing life's beautiful journey.